Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a PDF file to your Webflow project and connect it so visitors can easily download or view it. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to get your PDF onto your site, but how to link it to a button for seamless, user-friendly access. Whether you're sharing a menu, an ebook, or a resume, this process will help you add professional downloadable content to any page. Alright, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's upload your PDF file to Webflow. This is basically like putting your file into a convenient box that your website can find. Head over to the Assets panel. If you're not sure where that is, look for the little icon in the left toolbar, and here's a helpful shortcut. You can press the J key on your keyboard to open your assets instantly. It's a great little time saver. Once you're in, go straight for the Upload button. It usually looks like a cloud with an upward pointing arrow. Click on that, find your PDF file on your computer, and select it to upload. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your document, this part might take a few seconds, so don't worry if there's a quick loading bar. Once you see your PDF file listed in the Assets panel, you're ready for the next step. Now, if you want your site visitors to actually access that PDF, the most user-friendly way is usually to link it to a button. Maybe you have a Download White Paper or View Menu button on your site already. Perfect. Click on that button to select it, and then we'll move over to the Settings panel, which is where you control what happens when users interact with your button. Think of the Settings panel as your command center for interaction. In the Settings panel, look for the Link Settings section. This might feel like a bit of a treasure hunt the first time, but it's just Webflow's way of giving you options for where your button can take your visitors. Click on the link icon and you'll see several choices. What we're after is the File option. This lets you attach a downloadable document to the button. When you select File, a new menu will let you browse your uploaded assets again, and there's your PDF sitting pretty, ready to be shared. Simply click to select your PDF, and Webflow will connect the dots for you. From now on, whenever a visitor clicks that button, your PDF will be available for them to view or download, depending on their browser settings. And really, that's it. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it opens up a world of possibilities for sharing resources or documents with your audience. If you ever want to update the PDF, just upload a new version and repeat these steps. Your site will always have the latest document. Don't worry if it feels a bit unfamiliar at first. With Webflow, once you've done this once or twice, it quickly feels second nature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about uploading files or using Webflow in general, just drop me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more easy, practical tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.